this morning because I'm going to show you how to get them clean. I want to start out over here with sandals. You know, we get these toe marks in our shoes that are so hard to get out, and it makes our shoes look old and bad. What I'm going to use is a damp microfiber cloth to clean them. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to start and rub it across that toe area. Now you'll rub back and forth one way and then the other till you get that clean. Reset the nap, let it dry out of the sun, and your shoes will be wearable again and they'll look great. Now, if it's really hard to clean them, make sure you use some rubbing alcohol in place of the water on the cloth. Now, if you got white shoes, and actually these are mine, I'm ashamed to say, I like to use some little non-gel toothpaste on these. You're just going to squirt it on, and you're going to start, and you're going to work it into the shoe. Now, you can use this on canvas or leather, and you're just going to work it in. I use a soft toothbrush. And you can also do the rubber part that goes around the shoe. It does a great job of cleaning, as you can already see. When you're done, you can do one of two things. You can rinse them really, really well and let them dry out of the sun, or you can pop them in the washing machine in a lingerie bag, wash them with your favorite detergent, a little borax, and they'll clean up in no time and be ready to wear. When you take them out of the washer, reshape them so they dry nicely. Now, if you've got colored shoes like these can always be a problem. So the first thing you want to do when you're trying to clean up a shoe like this is you want to brush it to get the dirt and any soiling off. And I'm using a cuticle brush because it's just easier to handle and it does a great job. Now, as you can see, this one I've already kind of cleaned up by just brushing it. But if it doesn't clean up enough to make me happy, then I'm going to use my Spot Shot Instant Carpet Stain Remover. I'll squirt it on a cloth, rub it on the shoe until it's clean, let it dry again out of the sun. Now, moving along to Skechers. They have so many go walks, go do this, go do that. Those can go in the washing machine as long as you do it right. First of all, you want to spot them and get any heavy dirt off of them. I like to use regular bar soap. This is just Castile. You could use this, you could use Felt Napa, you can use whatever you have at home. Work it in, put the shoes into a lingerie bag, throw them in the washer, wash them, and then reshape them. And then use some stain repellent on them. Now, this is the actual Skechers brand, but you can use Scotchgard too if you have that at home instead. Now, for your fabric shoes, and these are maybe your little nicer shoes, maybe they have this jute backing along the heels and that. Again, you're going to take a brush. It's your best defense, and you're going to brush them first. Then, on these shoes, club soda on a microfiber cloth works great. Pour it on, and then start and just clean the shoe. And again, always let it dry out of the sun. Now, if you have stinky shoes, which, you know, we all do sometimes, you can use rubbing alcohol and put a little spray like I did. Simply spray it inside the shoe, or you can use my own Queen of Clean What Stinks. It's an enzyme product. Spray it in. It will digest the protein in the sweat that's in your shoes, and you'll have no odor. Now, if you need a copy of this, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Real Queen of Clean, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.